on. The next two screens will be pre-populated with results, inputs based on your previous screens. So normally you don't have to change anything here if you'd like to just do a fairly standard design. But this is the advanced regeneration screen, is where you would specify if you're doing backwashes, obviously not needed for an up-core system, what your compaction duration is for up-core, what your specific velocity for the regeneration is going to be, your rinse volumes. You're going to do a recycle on your fast rinse, and do you have any settling time between when you change the flow direction? Normally, you would just take the defaults on this page. And the next page that you would take the defaults is we have some typical values for pressure drop inside the distributors, piping. Do you want any back pressure on the whole system to give you a sort of effluent pressure to get to the top of your storage tank? And these are all fairly typical default values. You could change them if necessary.